Well, hello there. So it is the time of year where I'm trying to eat a little healthier. I know many of you are doing the same thing, but every now and then I really crave a sweet bite of something. So I don't know if you're like me, but I think I have the perfect thing for you today. I have really been enjoying these, what I've made, which is a healthier version of a Snicker. And these are little Snicker Bites, so there's not, it's not like you're eating a whole Snicker candy bar. It's just a couple bites and it's perfect. So I'm excited to share this recipe with you. So hang with me today because it's that time to get cooking. Add 2 cups of dry roasted, lightly salted peanuts to a food processor. Then give a quick blend. Next, add 10 large pitted medjool dates, and I'm just going to cut them each in half. Then begin to give short pulses until the peanuts and dates are all blended together, and you will end up with a fine texture. Then pour your mixture into the bottom of an 8x8 square pan that I have lined with parchment paper, just making sure that you press it down firmly. So add 10 more medjool dates to your food processor, and I'm cutting them in half again. And then I'm just going to give them a quick blend just to break them apart some. Then you'll need a half of a cup of almond milk, but I'm only going to add a little bit here. And then blend. And then 1 cup of the creamy peanut butter, but I'm going to alternate between the peanut butter and the milk, and then a half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I'm just going to give this a blend, add the rest of the almond milk, and the rest of the peanut butter. And then blend until you have a nice, smooth, creamy consistency. Just look at that. All right, so now I'm going to spread this out over top of my crust. And then add about 1 more cup of the peanuts, pressing them down into that creamy mixture. And then you will want to put this in the freezer for about an hour. Then just lift them out of the pan and cut them into little bite-sized squares. And then I'm going to separate each of the little bites and place them on another piece of parchment paper because I'm going to put these back in the freezer for about 30 minutes. So I'm melting some almond bark chocolate in my double boiler, but if you wanted to go a little bit healthier, you could get the Lily's brand chocolate, but I believe it's sugar-free. And I like to dip my candy using a fork and knife. I just find that so much easier. Just lift it right out of the chocolate with your fork, tapping it on the side, and then taking your knife and scraping the excess chocolate. Just look at these. They are the perfect little size and they are so yummy. But I want to show you what they look like on the inside. And you can keep these in the freezer if you want. And then whenever you need a sweet bite, you just go grab one. So I hope that you enjoyed seeing how to make these delicious little Snicker Bites. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.